We are gathered here to witness a great and memorable occasion in our lives, and that is graduation ceremony. Is also the day of the recognition for the outstanding work and support our dear parents have given. Looking around, happy faces say so much about the wonderful atmosphere we can feel here at Maryland School. We have learned a lot of the school has placed great value on community learning and fun. I feel really delighted at how my fellow graduates have shown love and interest in coming to school, and how we have looked forward for new things to learn, seeing the big smiles on their faces every morning is fantastic and overwhelming. We have loved the love learning, and this is will for sure be of big benefit to us as we progress with our education life. It's not just about learning how to read and write. Yes, these skills are very important as well both as love and friendship. The school has placed great emphasis in being part of community which have helped us learn life along. Community and belongingness for us is very important. For with this we can secure care and love. I would also like to say thank you to all our teachers and parents for the love you freely given and the time you willingly shared with us. We know that we are all well equipped with the skills and knowledge needed for the next educative stage. For Maryland School have well equipped us with those needed skills. We have been given strong foundation, and foundation built with trust, love, respect, and kindness. Lesson 1 today. Thank you and good afternoon.